Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer money from Chime to bank account. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Chime mobile application. Now once you are on the home page, you need to tap on this Move Money tab in the bottom. After that, you will be landed on this Move Money page where you are going to see a bunch of different options relating to transfer money and your payments. So among the given options, you will have to click on transfer funds. Once done, you will be redirected on the next page where you just have to enter the amount that you want to transfer. Then you need to select the from account, which can be your Chime checking account or your Chime savings account. So you just have to select the account in which you have funds and from which you are going to transfer your money. Then in the to sections, you need to select that particular bank account in which you want to transfer your money. As you can see over here that the Wells Fargo bank is selected. Then you need to tap on this transfer button in the bottom, and then you are going to see this type of pop-up where it will show you the amount that you have entered and the time of transfer, which is 1 to 3 business days. Then it will show you your from account and the to account. So you just have to review all of the information that is given over here, and if everything is correct, you need to press the confirm button in the bottom. Then it will show you that your transfer is initiated and you have just transferred this much amount of money to your bank account. So you will have to click on the got it button, and then your money will be received in your bank account within 1 to 3 business days. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.